All right, what's up, guys? We're live now. All right, this is the 30-second. Oh, we had CPI today. I forgot. We had CPI today, and I gotta change the name of the stream real quick. Today's the 15th. All right. What's up? We got Cruz and Z. What's up? We got Cruz and Z. That was. All right, we got Cruz and Z in here. What's up? What's up? Notifying the Discord that we're live. All right, there we go. Kind of up data lows. Let me check the hourly candle here. I'll check it on the higher time frame. All right, I'll check it out. I mean, with the thing you look for. All right. All right. Oh, what's up, Dean? Okay, if we inverse this higher time frame provided gap, I think we're going for last week's data highs. Talking about this 4 hour here. There's also a 1 hour there. We have hourly equal highs. That's actually kind of crazy. You're talking about the 1 minute? You're talking about this? Yeah, with CPI. All right. Let's see what we got here. We can see if the 1 hour. What's up, Dean? We can see if this 1 hour inverses. We gotta wait for the 4 hour as well. We have a big bearish SMT. Let me see if this works. There we go. All right. We don't have a data low or data high to target, which kind of sucks, but we have no more news today either. the lower time frames, but I use the higher time frames for drawing liquidity. Which the only problem with the higher time frame right now is um waiting for candles to close. We are inside of a bearish for value gap though. We're kind of above it, but we do have a big bearish SMT that we could use to look for shorts. Yeah, because we have to wait for the 4 hour to close. We're in a bearish 4 hour. Yeah, but we also have a 4 hour SMT there. Could get a 30-second here. What'd you say? Bro, oh my gosh, bro, there's so much volume right now. I have to use MNQ. What's up, Rai? ESMI at 10:30, but that's an orange folder. Yeah, I don't really pay attention to orange folders. I know there's one orange folder that moves a lot, but no, the Empire State Manufacturing Index already came out. It was at 8:30. 10:30 is crude oil. No, you're good. You're talking about a 30-second? I like this one though because it has the liquidity sweep there. Though we are being really choppy. So I don't really know if I would want to take a short off of that chop. I was thinking we would get like a setup on that buy side sweep there. We still have the SMT at the highs. This price action is really sideways right now. We have a lot of volume, but really really slow price action. It's very sideways. I'm gonna plug my phone in. Yeah. All right. Damn. Because the one that moves a lot used to be a red folder and they changed it. Whoa. Patrick CC, bro. What did he do? No, bro. I think Patrick CC's done with his YouTube videos. Drink too much water. What do you mean, Cruz? Drink too much water. Oh, I know what you mean now. Sorry, it took me a second. Yeah, it took me a second. You don't know who Patrick CC is? It's it's a YouTuber. Why does ES look like it has better price action right now? That's crazy. My headphones are about to die. All right, this could be good if we just keep doing this. Maybe get some form of LRLR or something. Because right now we don't really have too much to target, so. Though the hourly does close soon. It could be bullish on the hourly. But the problem is we still have the 4 hour bearish fair value gap. All right, let me check the 15-minute to see. I mean, it's so hard because because we had news, it kind of just went through all of the um all of the higher time frame stuff. One-minute short where I don't see any 1-minute short here. If you're talking about this tiny fair value gap, I will not be taking that. Yeah, I will not be taking that. That is a tiny fair value gap. Let's see if you were to have taken that. I'm not taking this, but if you would have taken it, let's see. This, if you wanted to do stop to break even here, which is way too close, then your entry wouldn't have been valid. But let me see. If you had taken this, maybe something like this, like 2R or something. Let's see if this trade gets stopped out. If it is a 30-second, it could. The only problem with that is then we have this 3-minute right here. Could just deliver out the 3-minute. So I kind of like, since we didn't have like a data wick setup, I kind of just want to get some price action before taking a setup. Especially when it was like it was just now with just a big pump and no like wicks or anything. Like sometimes when it's just like a wick on both sides. Oh, my camera froze. Or my camera died, I mean. Um, whenever like it's like that and you just wait for one of the wicks to get taken out and you can look for a setup to the other one, that's like really good. But like when it just pumps like this, you kind of have to just wait to get some price action because there's nothing really to target with this. It's just a big liquidity void, and I don't want to take a long because we're way too far in premium. Now, if we come back into this, I mean, we do have that bear SMT still, so I don't really know if I would even want to take a long, but we'd have to be pretty far in discount for me to write off that SMT like I did yesterday. Okay, you got stopped out there if you took that. Oh my gosh, man. I'm so tired. You, yeah. Well, I just got home from work, bro. For me, so so I start trading at 8:30 and then obviously market opens at 9:30. What is wrong with my camera died again. Yo, how did two batteries die in a row? Oh my gosh, I dropped my camera. Um I work from 1 a.m. to like 9 a.m. But I'll leave early on the days that I trade. Cause I also work weekends, so I stay extra on the weekends to make up for the time that I miss trading. No, I already graduated high school. All right. There we go. I'm not studying anything. So, SoFi, I was changing the battery because it died. On the 30-second and the 1 minute, we actually have some form of price action right now. We just need to get a setup with this price action. The 1 hour did, yeah. But we also have the 4 hour there. I mean, there's also a daily there, so I don't really. I'm gonna be bullish with that. But the only problem is we do still have that big SMT until we take out those highs. What's up, Michael? I do this fair value gap inversing is bullish to these highs. But the only problem is we do have a really big bearish SMT. So unless price comes back down to premium, I mean discount, unless price comes back down to discount, and we get a setup and it like as a long for a long, then just gonna be pretty much waiting for these highs to get taken. I'm not taking a long anywhere here. Now, if price were to do something like this, I don't know, something come down in a premium and get a setup, then I would take it. But I'm not taking a long here. All right, we left. Ooh, all the way up to the 2 minute equal lows. So we have some good equal lows here. If we get a sweep of this buy side, we could get a short setup to these equal lows. That would be good. And if you took this 1 minute, you got stopped out. Even though it has a liquidity sweep, it's because we have these equal lows and the bearish SMT going against it. So it makes sense for it not to work. Now what is price doing? Now it's getting really slow. We do have a good amount of news. We have 10:30 a.m. Should give us some more volume, but that's really late into the day. That's at 10:30. Maybe we take out these equal lows right here. So it seems like we're gonna do with no setup. Bro, imagine we just leave them there like that. I was gonna be sad if we took those equal lows. Oh my gosh. I did not mean to do that. Oh. I'm gonna post the stream on my Instagram. I'm so tired right now. You see the 1 minute? Possible 1 minute if we sweep this low here. Because we'd be tapping into, what is it? We'd be tapping back into this inverse fair value gap. The 1 hour. I mean, it's technically not an inverse on the 4 hour, but we're not even tapping into that 4 hour. We're still above it at this point. Even if we sweep this liquidity and tap into the 1 hour. Scalping. What? I'm just using a lower time frame setup. That's what I always do. If you want to call it scalping because you only hold the trade for like 10 minutes, then you can call it that. But I don't know any. It's just normal day trading. You buy and sell in the same day. That's what I thought. That's what I thought scalping was, but I don't know. Yeah, yeah, and we just created equal lows, so I'd want these equal lows to get hit first. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we'll get a sweep here and a setup on the 32nd or something. Or if we turn this into some form of LRLR, that would be really good. Either way, we can look for a setup. So if we take this buy side, then we look for a short. And if we don't and we pull back here, we just look for a long to the buy side. We may have to wait for market open to get some volume because now it's moving really slow. To the equal lows. What equal lows? The ones that are drawn out. Watch time on YouTube, isn't it? Isn't Discord much more efficient, especially because comments here load slow? I feel like I don't know if it loads slow for you or not, or if it's just like the delay in between. Let me see. How do I use this? But I think it's just the difference between when I say it and how long it takes to show up on stream. What do you mean if it comes back? I don't know what that means. I'm just wondering what you mean by that. I don't know what that means. BYRMV. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I'll try to figure out. I don't know if it's all of YouTube that has the chat like that. Um, but I would have to see how to fix it. I like Discord more than, or I like YouTube more than Discord because it uploads my streams and people can go back and watch them. Because a lot of people ask me if I record them. So, yeah, I'm gonna go warm up some food while we wait for market open because this price action is really like horrible. Alright, my food's warming up. Alright, good. We took out those equal lows. I heard you say that. Still my headphones on. But I'm so glad I bought the wireless headphones, bro. But we didn't even. There was nothing even there though. Yeah, I see that. I'm sitting here while I'm waiting for my food. You wouldn't be able to hear me. My microphone's on my desk, but my headphones are wireless. There's a microphone on the headphones, but I don't use it. It's a horrible microphone. Guys, who's in this? Guys, who's in this? Guys, who's in this? I'm in this. I'm in this 100 cons. Guys, I'm in this 100 cons. I'm in this 100 cons. Who's in it? Yo, Dean, are you in this 100 cons? Oh, shit. Oh, shit, guys. I'm down. Bro, got stopped out with 100 cons, bro. The food that I'm eating is just straight up a Tupperware of rice. Oh, all right. Wait, this is what I think I'm gonna wait for as well, because I don't see any volume right now. This is horrible price action right here. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, guys, I just got the chills, bro. I got goosebumps all over my body, bro. Bro, it's cold in Florida right now. I know it's really, really hot in California right now. But it's cold in Florida right now. And and bro, I'm like freezing and I just took a bite of this rice and it warmed up my entire body, bro. Like the 1 hour bearish got inversed, so I'm bullish. 854. What 850 what 854 short? 854, this did not play out. That got stopped out. You didn't get stopped out right there when it closed above the fair value gap. There was a 3 minute. Not gonna lie, bro. I don't know what 3 minute you're talking about. if you're talking about this one, that is unbelievably lucky. I'm glad we took out those equal lows. We do have a 3-minute here, but don't really know if I want to take that because the bearish SMT. Not really that far in discount for a long. You have to use both of them. So it's small, but everything else was respected. You had delivery. That is an unbelievably small fair value gap. I'm just saying. I don't care about what 15-minute, bro. I don't care about what 15-minute you have. That fair value gap was unbelievably tiny. And the fact that you didn't get stopped out on a fair value gap that small is just luck. Ask anybody who trades this strategy. Ask the person who created this strategy. Ask Dodgy himself. He will tell you that that was gambling. Obviously, I don't wish you to lose money on it. I'm just saying. I'm glad that it didn't lose, and I'm glad that you are up. But like, I'm just telling you. Equalize. Okay, so back to the question about different time frames give you different biases. Sorry. All right, so on the 15-minute here, it was right about we did have delivery from this 15-minute. But on the 1 hour, we just inversed this, and the 1 hour is stronger than the 15-minute because it's the higher time frame. But for a shorter term play, I guess that could work for a short. But the hourly inversing tells me that we want to take buy side. So I'm going to be bullish until we take buy side. Though we do have an SMT, ES already took buy side. So that's why I'm not like completely against a short, but I don't know. Yeah, which we haven't really gotten any good shorts. Price action on NQ has been a lot worse than ES. ES doesn't seem to have like horrible price action. It's not good, but it's not as bad as NQ right now. See, this is what I wanted. Now we're in discount. I want us to get a long setup somewhere here. And we just added these equal highs as another liquidity pool to target. Is this LRLR too steep, you think? That's market open. What'd you say? Bro, are we gonna have to, bro? No way. We have a 9:30 data wick, or not 9:30 data. Sorry, a 9:30 wick, a 9:30 opening wick that made equal lows. Come on, bro. Now we have liquidity pools on both sides if we end up making this. That's crazy. Hope we sweep it right here. What's up, Chris? Here, move to trading room 2. Chris, I know you're in the stream. Join the room. It's crazy. We're getting the V shape with no setup. We do still have the equal lows, which is annoying. No way. What is it doing? It's just gonna create equal highs like that and just leave. Or equal lows and just leave. That's crazy. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I like this as a target. I just don't like the risk to reward if we were to get a setup or this setup specifically. Yeah. It's only 0.8 R. It's a negative R setup. It is in discount, but we have the 930 wick and I'll just watch this if we get it. I'm not going to take it unless we get a setup a little bit higher up. Oh my gosh, bro. Um, I'm not really. I want to get along. I have this 30-second drawn out just to. I just want to see if this short works out if we get it. I'm not taking this, especially with the way it's rejecting it. I would never take that, um, but I want us to sweep these equal lows and get a long setup. All right, so the entry would be there if you're taking that. After we sweep this, or if we sweep it here, like for us to get a long setup. The only thing going against our long setup would be the S&T at the highs. All right, could have taken that, especially on the retracement back to the fair value gap. It's fine. Now I'll be looking for a long since we took out those equal lows. So that was really waiting for. So right now we only have this 1 minute, or it's not even a 1 minute yet. We only have this 30-second, which I don't like. This 1 minute will look good if it forms a 1 minute. So right now, the only thing we have would be combining these two 30-seconds. This 1 minute is getting smaller. Yeah. So the only thing we would have would be combining these two 30-seconds here. I didn't get my entry because I was switching to MNQH. TP1. I would have put TP1 at 1R. That would be TP1 right there. Oh my gosh. That's annoying. Or no, that would not be TP1. Where would TP1 be? TP1. No, it's a bro, there's so much volume right now. Price is moving so far. But I would already have stops at break even. But really? I'm not even at I wouldn't have even been at TP1 yet. Look at the stream. Look at the stream. Yeah, I do go live every day. Block Glock baby. Alright. There we go. That would have been TP1. TP2 again would have been 2R, so it would have been all the way up here. No way that was 2 risk reward. Let me see it. Send it to the Discord. Send it to the Discord. No, but if we still have that higher time frame, if we still have that higher time frame SMT, then short still would not be bad. Since we're working our way back to premium, it's a higher time frame SMT. My camera is off. Why is my camera off? No, it's on. It said it was off. I know it said it was off on here. Yeah, no, it said it was off on something else. Stop switch. Oh, you didn't combine them. No, normally I combine them if I use both. No, I'm saying you combine the two 30 seconds instead of just the top one. That's what I was doing. That's what? So I do see how you got 2R. I was so confused for a second. I didn't know you didn't combine them. I was like, what are you talking about 2R? But yeah, I didn't even get to get in it. I'm assuming it's gonna hit full TP. But that's still not, it's not like people just, I don't know. The idea of scalping just makes no sense to me. I feel like people just need to get a trade and do it. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's what I think when I think of scalping. That's what I think of. It's people just putting in random orders with like no like logic behind them. All right, this will be good if we leave equal lows here and we sweep some buy side liquidity. We have to actually leave the equal lows here. Should be on the 1 minute as well. No, they're not. They're only on the 30-second. I was switching to micros. That's why I didn't take that setup. And then the other one was way too far in discount to take. I am trading. The actually 90% of trading is just waiting and being patient. The last trade I didn't take because I was switching to micros, and then the other one was not like a good setup. Would you say? Yeah. All right. If we sweep this here, this will be good. Maybe get something to these equal lows. Because we do still have the bearish SMT, so we don't need to take that main buy side liquidity up on the top. Because we do still have the bearish SMT here. So we have this fair value gap. And like, what's his name? I forgot who said it earlier. But we did just get this sweep with the bearish SMT, and we also have delivery off that 15-minute. I forgot who brought up the 15-minute earlier. But somebody brought up that we have the 15-minute there. It is perfect. Doesn't seem like we're going to get anything. Bro, leaving equal highs like that is so stupid. All right, if we get good momentum through this 1 minute, I'll take it. We have the equal lows below as well. Yeah, it did hit full TP on the trade that I drew out as well. But I didn't take it because I was switching to micros. Because I was doing my close stop loss below the second fair value gap. Minute. There's a 2 minute here. I mean, I don't really know what you mean better RR. I mean, either way, I target the same RR unless I'm looking for a specific liquidity. I'm not going to be targeting this. So right now, I'm just targeting like 2. But the 2 minute does look better than the 1 minute. All right, let's see if we get this 2 minute here. Let's see if we get this. Nope, no entry there. And my ears are still wet from the shower I took before I hopped on this call. I don't know what a POC is. You don't have to use Trade copy trading. You can use NinjaTrader copy trading. That's what I thought, Cruz. Cruz, I thought that too. All right, let's see. I didn't think we were gonna get it. Oh, it's. I'm not entering off of this inverse if it inverses that far. I would set up a limit to see if I get an entry, but all right, I got in. That close wasn't horrible. My break even is going to be at the equal lows and my take profits at 1.5R. I don't like this retracement. That was just like an instant reversal off of that. We inversed the 30-second there. But we could reject this second 30-second. Kind of what I want to see here. All right, let me move this just to follow my rules. About really do want to see some rejection off of this here. 2 minute did not get inversed. 2 minute did get inversed. Here we have 15 seconds till this candle close. All right. What do you mean, wait? Why is it inversing on my chart? Someone said the 5-minute FVG ... Like, that's the reason it lost. It didn't even touch the 5-minute. There's a 3-minute. You're right. The 3-minute was not inversed. I did not see that 3-minute. That 3-minute is definitely the reason that trade lost. I did not know that there was a 3-minute. I should have seen that. Still have these equal lows. If we take out these equal highs here, we should be able to get another setup to these. Hopefully. Are you using MNQ? You said the 2-minute did not get inversed. Are you using MNQ? You said, why is it inversed on your chart? Are you using micros? It's not that you can't use micros. You have to do your charting on NQ. And you can enter on MNQ. I would have been done for the day if I took the other one that I drew out. Dean caught it. There was yeah, the 3-minute was the issue. But there was a 30-second up here before it even got near those fair value gaps. Though it did chop through that. So I don't know how good of a setup that would be. We did just take out these equal highs. We have this fair value gap. We might take out this buy side now. Though that would get rid of our SMT. we could get a setup after taking out the buy side. I wouldn't be against the idea of this 1 minute if we take out this buy side. Bro, I'm not doing whatever strategy you're doing, bro. I'm not doing that, bro. I don't care. I don't use mitigation blocks. The 3 minute didn't get inversed. I really wish I would have seen that. I would not have taken that. No, you're fine. All right, let's see if we get maybe a 30-second taking out this buy side. Let's see. All right, we took out the buy side. We have a 1 minute, maybe a 2 minute. It seems like we're gonna also have a 2 minute. I kind of want us to get a better setup than this though. Because now price is just sitting there. Yeah. We don't have a 3 minute here yet. We only have this 2 minute. So if I want to take this, I'm gonna have to move prior to it so I don't get messed up again. Trying to switch. Let me see. We could get another leg up here, maybe on the 32nd. Or not, maybe it'll give us this setup. So now we have a 3 minute here. 2 minute is a lot cleaner than that 3 minute though. We could get something here off of another super V size. It's good. It's good. Yeah. I don't know. I want to focus on trading right now. Bro, I can't tell what setup it wants to give us. If it wants to go higher and give us a setup from up there, if it wants to give us this 3 minute. Let me check. Did we get the 4 hour candle yet? The 4 hour candle inversed, but it also took this internal, so I don't really know if we want to go up here anymore. We are in premium, so I wouldn't really be looking for a long here. But we did just pump up, bro. Like, I don't understand. Can't believe I didn't see that 3 minute. All right, so we got another sweep there. All right, so we got this sweep here. We got another sweep. Hopefully we get a good sized 1 minute. Maybe a little bit smaller. This is a little big, but there we go. Okay, not that much smaller. Okay, so probably this 30-second then. This 30-second is really big though. I must inverse this. So we came back and touched into this bearish fair value gap here. So if we inverse this after touching off that, that would be good. Though I can't tell if we're gonna do that or not. There will be a 3 minute as well. That's all the way down there though. 2 minute, 1 minute. The 3 minute is like where I would already have break even, I think. I mean, the 3 minutes right here. The 30-second chart is good. The one that I called out earlier was 30-second, but I wasn't able to switch to MNQH in time, or MNQ. It was on NQ, but the stop loss was like there was a lot of volume, so I didn't switch in time. Don't think we're gonna get this, and if we're acting like this, I don't want to take a setup like that. I might just end the day after 1L. You have a good day as well, Bruce. Dean, I didn't know if you were there or not. I'm so mad at myself for taking that short, bro, and missing the long. Because that short was so bad, bro, because of the 3 minute. I did not even see the 3 minute, bro. You as well. Bro, I don't even want to sit here and watch this chart, bro. Like the higher time frames aren't really telling us anything right now. The only thing that I could say would be bullish, but we don't really have any like liquidity that it seems like it wants to hit. Because this is all chop on the 1 hour anyways. I know if I were to zoom in it wouldn't be chop, but into the 4 hour premium internal liquidity. Maybe we get a sweep here. No, I'm not. I'm not shorting right now. I'm just looking. I missed the only trade of the day and then took a wrong trade. It did lose. It was an invalid trade, but I didn't notice it until after. I need to stop doing that, bro. I feel like I'm paying attention. I'm not even on my phone, but I still took like a setup like that. Yeah. My camera died, bro. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Bro, is this other battery defective then? Because the other one said it was dead too, but it says it's full on the charger. No, this one's full. Seems like we might get a 1 minute setup here. What'd you say? We could get a 2 minute as well if this 1 minute doesn't inverse on the very next candle. It would be more like that. Yeah, we're gonna get a 2 minute as well. Definitely. I don't really know if I'd want to take a 2 minute. Not this 2 minute, anyways. Oh my god. I'm so mad at myself for taking that trade. Like, I'm fine with taking no trades, but like, even losing a trade is fine. But like, taking a losing trade like that is just. I don't really use the daily time frame. Okay, there's no 3 minute. That's good. Don't think we're gonna get this. Yeah. Bro, I was just falling asleep at my computer. I might be done. Cause now we're kind of just pumping up. And I'm tired, bro. I haven't slept. But for you it's like 3 p.m., right? Bro. Dude, I wish I would have taken that first one and I would have just been done for the day after that, bro. That was like the big move of the day. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the 30-second one. Because like we had all that engineered liquidity above. Like we do have liquidity below right now, but um we had all that liquidity above. Not really engineered, but I mean could say 3 touches, something like that. But we got the 30-second, and then there was a big move all the way up to the big buy side that I was looking for after we inversed the 1 hour. I'm from the east coast of Florida. All right, guys. Um, I know a good amount of people got that one trade that I didn't get because I was switching to micros, which should not be happening. That's the second time that's happened this year. So I really need to pay attention to that. And then that last one lost because of the 3 minute, and that's my fault. So I wasn't paying attention enough. So I'm gonna take note of that. Literally, I have a physical journal that I use. So all right. So I'm gonna get off. Thank you guys for watching the stream today. I hope you guys caught the one trade, and I hope you guys saw the 3 minute here and didn't take this one. So I'll talk to you guys later.